Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily share a TikTok video to Messenger. Whether you found a funny clip or something interesting you wanted to share with your friends, I will walk you through the simplest way to do it. So let's get started. First, open up the TikTok app on your phone. And once you're on TikTok, find the video you wanted to share. Now, look for the share icon on the right hand side of the screen. It looks like an arrow pointing to the right. Tap on it, and a menu of sharing options will pop up. From the option that appears, you will see different social media apps. If you don't find the Messenger app, scroll through in these options. And once you find it, tap on it. And your contact list will appear. Select the friend or group you wanted to send the video to, and then hit send. And that's it. Your TikTok video has now been shared via Messenger. Super quick and easy. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.